In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Asana form. Whether you're managing a team project or handling personal tasks, Asana forms can streamline your workflow by collecting important information quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process of editing these forms step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Asana website. Once you're logged into your Asana account, you'll have a clear view of all your projects. Here's where you find the project that contains the form you wish to edit. Click on this project, and this action will open up the project dashboard, which is where you'll make all the necessary modifications. Moving on, you should look for the Customize button. Typically, you'll find it at the top right corner of your project interface. Clicking on Customize will give you access to more options that you might need. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled as Forms. Clicking on Forms will show you all the forms associated with your specific project. Now, to proceed, you need to select the specific form that you want to edit. You'll notice 3 dots next to each form selection. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional actions you can take. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Edit. By doing so, you now unlock the ability to modify the form to suit your needs exactly as you envision. Within the editing environment, there are several options available to you. You can update the name of the form, making it more reflective of its intended purpose. You might also want to add or edit a description, as this provides context for users who will be filling it out. It's always helpful for users to understand exactly what's expected of them and what the form aims to achieve. The flexibility of Asana allows you to add, edit, or delete questions within the form. You'll enjoy an array of options, such as changing question types, marking fields as required, or allowing attachments. These practical features significantly enhance the form's effectiveness by ensuring that you gather the right information up front, minimizing follow-up questions later. Further, an important detail you might consider involves task settings. This essentially means you can adjust settings so the responses automatically populate certain areas, such as assigning a default team member to the task, or copying answers directly to the task description for quick reference and streamlined task management. At the top of these editing options, there's an opportunity to customize the header of the form. You can upload a cover image or add your organization's branding if needed. This aspect is particularly useful for making your forms both visually appealing and professional. Once you've carefully reviewed all your changes to ensure they align with your project's needs and improve your workflow, the final step is to click Save to finalize your edits. And just like that, you're all set with an updated Asana form that's tailored perfectly to meet your project's specific requirements.